Right now, we got to talk about those COVID numbers, though. Hospitals in North Carolina continue to fill up with those patients as cases skyrocket. More than 4,600 people are in the hospital right now battling cases of the virus. That is a record high for the state and a 16% increase from that prior patient record that was set last winter. Now, Atrium Health telling us today that 71% of its adult COVID patients on life support are between 18 and 64 years old. 92% of patients on life support are unvaccinated. Now, this COVID surge is partly the reason why the Biden administration started taking orders for free at-home COVID tests a day before the website was scheduled to officially launch. It's also requiring private health insurance companies to cover the cost of any tests that you might buy. But ordering might not be as simple as hitting a button. WCNC Charlotte anchor Carolyn Bruck explains what we need to know.
The Biden administration purchased 1 billion rapid tests that will be given to Americans for free. They say tests will be shipped within 7 to 12 days of ordering, but there is a limit. Starting out, only 4 tests can be sent to each household, no matter how many people are in that household. If you do need more, the government wants to make that more affordable too, by requiring private health insurers cover costs of at-home tests. Any tests purchased January 15th or later should be covered. But here's the thing. You'll need to check your insurance company's website to make sure you're shopping at the right pharmacy and following the right procedures. Those vary from plan to plan. At your insurance company's preferred pharmacy, you should be able to get the test covered when you pay at the counter. Otherwise, you might have to submit for reimbursement. So it's best to do your research. Lastly, make sure you don't take your test to the regular checkout. Many insurers say it'll need to be rung up at the pharmacy counter. Carolyn Bruck, WCNC Charlotte.
Now, we want to help link you to that website to order those free at-home COVID tests. Just head to WCNC.com and look for the story. And then once you do get to that test kit site, just type your name and shipping address. That should be as simple as that. By the way, if you're curious how the site's working so far, you can turn into NBC Nightly News with Lester Holt in about an hour for an exclusive sit-down with the White House's new testing chief.